everyone, and we're back for part 2 of the Empties. So let's dive right in. And this is My Real Skin Vitamin C Face Mask. I liked it. I believe I got that in an Ipsy. It was good.
Here is the Rockaholic Hairspray by Bedhead. It is groupy, hard hold. I really liked it. Some people might think it's too stiff for their hair, but I liked it. I liked it.
I would not repurchase.
I roll my hair a lot, so I would probably repurchase.
This was something we liked. This is the Infusium Conditioner.
We went through.
One is Repair and Renew with argan oil,
and the other is Moisture and Replenish.
These were really good.
I liked them both. They were really good.
They were good. Definitely repurchase.
Here is the Kat Von D Loose Setting Translucent Powder. I can't get the very last remnants out.
Is it Kat Von D Locket Powder? Locket setting?
Yes, it is. Locket Setting Powder. I really like it. I'm on a new tub of it right now.
Already repurchased. These were some Neutrogena face masks. I'll see if I can't show these to you. One was a Radiance Boost Brightening and one was a Hydro Boost. Loved both of them.
Here is the big Sexy Shampoo, and as much hair as I have, it took me forever to get through this bottle. And
it does take forever.
And I probably wouldn't repurchase this. I love their hairspray, but the shampoo is just not for me.
I wouldn't repurchase either, although I do like the one in the blue bottle. Yeah,
that's the soy. Yeah. It's more of a moisture.
This was some Dial soap. I don't know why this was in here, but
I'm not sure either. I always use this to. I might have popped it in there. I wash my tattoos, new tattoos, with that.
There you go. That's what she has.
Your antibacterial soap. You have to have your antibacterial on your new artwork.
She got the tattoos. I have no tattoos. Some more wipes. This is the Equate Original Clean. It's a dupe for the Neutrogena. These are good.
I like this hairspray too. This was the Ion. It was from, I think it's Sally exclusive, and it's a volumizing freezing spray. Would definitely repurchase this.
Absolutely, I would repurchase. Let me see, I've got more. These are makeup brush wipes. I really love the Eyeko tools.
I love finding those.
They're so hard to find. And then this one was Beauty Concepts makeup wipes. These were good, but out of the two, the Eyeko tools was the better one.
I had a feeling. This is Overnight Facial Lift by Dirty Works. It's collagen on call. I love this stuff. I bought a new tube of it. I don't know a lot about the Dirty Works brand, but
you can find it at TJ Maxx, I think.
Yeah, TJ Maxx. Yeah, it's good. They have all kinds of skincare.
It's a good one. This is a Lash Alert mascara from Eyeko, London. I got this in Ipsy. I thought it was alright. The wand is kind of curved. It's alright. I don't think I'd purchase it, but it's alright.
This is a Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner. It's my holy grail liquid liner. I can't seem to find it right now. I haven't looked online, but like in stores, it's got like the little. It's not a felt tip. It's like a thin brush, and it is perfect for making wings. Perfect.
She loves it. I've never tried it.
It's my favorite liquid.
Because she doesn't like using eyeliner.
I don't like the felt tip. That's the one thing that it's hard for me to use. Everyone loves the Kat Von D liner. I don't like that liner.
I like it. I think it slides.
I get it everywhere.
And this is from BRCT. I'm not sure. It's Jasmine Waterful Foaming Cleanser.
It broke me out.
Broke her out. Also, another one of my coworkers got this in Ipsy. It broke her out.
I used it once, never again.
This is.
It took a few days for my face to calm down, and I don't break out really easy. I don't have sensitive skin, and that stuff, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not. It must have something in it. I used it twice, and I was not impressed with it. I was like, whatever.
We talked about this in the last video I was in with her, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. We are both loving it. Yes. We're down another tub already.
I think it smells better on the skin than in the tube.
You think it's too strong?
Yeah, but I've actually started using it, and I do really like it.
I just got a little one in a boxy charm.
This is a Clinique Take the Day Off for eyes, lips, and lashes. It's really good. I got another one of these in my Play by Sephora, so I'll definitely use it up. It's good.
Here is the Air Repair Quenching, or Complexion Quenching. What do you think of that?
I liked it, and it was like a good refresher for your makeup, and even if you were just skincare.
I just love stuff that is this size that you know you'll just use the whole thing if you like it, and it gives you a good way to test it out.
That's why I love Ipsy.
Yeah, we're big Ipsy fans. Here's this one to talk about.
Oh, I love this. This is Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. My Holy Grail setting spray was the Kat Von D Locket, but after trying this Mist and Fix, I definitely want to buy the full size. I love it. So good.
Here is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I really like this a lot. I had two shades, 202 and 203. 203 was a little too dark. But it seems like in the stores, when you try to find these, the shades are always sold out, or they just don't get enough in or something. But I do like this foundation a lot.
She likes that foundation. This was Makeup Forever HD Blurring Skin Tint. I got this in a Play by Sephora. I really, really liked it. I would probably repurchase this in the future, especially good summertime. Like it gives you a nice little glow.
Here is the shade Mother I was talking about.
She knew it was in there.
I knew it was in there, and I had you. And it's I have a mini version, but it has turned. Like that is not the shade it's supposed to be.
So if you got liquid lipsticks and they're turning a different shade,
you got to toss in bad boys. Yeah. So that's fun.
This is Benefit Gimme Brow. You all know I love this stuff. I'm very natural brows. This kind of, you know, gives it some oomph and kinds of hold them in place. I love it.
Here's another Kat Von D in the shade Berlin. I really like this too. I think this one was one getting ready to turn 2, and plus it was about done. And I love the little applicators on all hers because of the little doe foot, and it lasts all day long.
Yeah, they do last a while. This is from Better London in the shade Inky 6. It's a pretty shade. It's like a blue.
I do like that.
But I'm not a big fan of really dark nail polishes.
Because they stain your nails so bad.
Because they stain and they're just hard to get off.
Here is the Makeup Forever Pro Finish. It is like a powder foundation, and it just, I used it, as you can see I panned it, I panned it, and it's just starting to turn, doesn't smell right, so just time to declutter that. I do like it, I just didn't use it up fast enough.
This is some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I really like this mascara. Did you like this?
I do like Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I like a lot of Tarte. What's this bad boy? Katy Perry Caballero lipstick.
I just had that forever. I liked it. I probably wouldn't repurchase because I have much better lipsticks. I know what I like now, but it's alright. It's okay.
Kind of cute packaging.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
It's cute. This is some Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. A lot of people love these and talk about how great these are. I thought this one was kind of difficult to use. It was in the shade AC/DC, but I know everybody loves, is it Midnight Cowboy? Or
yeah, I think it's Midnight Cowboy.
One of those. But yeah.
Here was one, I'm not sure how to say the brand, Epis or Epis, and it's a restorative toner, and I don't really use toners a lot because they dry my skin out worse. I got this like in an Ipsy, and it's just not for me.
Not for you.
I'm not familiar with the brand either, so.
This is Clean & Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Gel Moisturizer, oil-free. Loved it. It's a good morning, wakes your skin up.
Here is some Bath & Body Works Lemon Pomegranate Cream Body Spray.
It was getting towards the end.
Smelled good.
I already have some more. It's a discontinued fragrance, but I love it. Good for summertime.
Here is a Bareminerals Nude Lippy.
Nude Lip. I liked it. I probably wouldn't repurchase it because they're all nude shades.
Yeah.
It's like,
not for us.
Okay. Here's another lip. This is Makeup Forever in the shade, I think it's 443.
That might have been a birthday gift, and it just was
old.
Okay. And
it's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's not one I would probably buy. Here is the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. It was okay. I know a lot of people rave about this Anastasia Brow Wiz. This one's just old. It's time to go. It's about done.
Goodbye.
I think I just rolled up the end of it. and I'm real picky about my brow pencil. Right now I'm using the Kat Von D.
I have got some face masks. This was the Unicorn Glow Perfect Radiance, which you saw me unbox that in my Ipsy. Loved it, thought it was great. But this mask right here I got in Ipsy from 111 Skin. So good. It was
really?
rose gold, it was gold infused. But I think one of these masks cost like $36. So I probably would not repurchase. Like you could buy a set.
Mask?
You could buy a set at Barney's and it was over $100. I was like, what? But it's really good.
That is too expensive for moi. This is one that this was like a random TJ Maxx purchase. Too Faced Beauty Balm, multi-benefit skincare, and it's just like a BB cream. It's not full coverage. It wasn't that great. I would not repurchase. I don't even know if they still make this. Time to go.
This is the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. Love this stuff. It gets all your eye makeup off really good.
Here is the Too Faced Sex Kitten eyeliner. I got this in Ipsy. I think it's been one of my favorite items from Ipsy. I was looking for this on Ulta. I couldn't find it. I love this eyeliner.
I know the bestie loves that a lot too. I think this is some more. This is that Jaunty Blue
Look at this. It's a lip pencil.
Is it a lip pencil?
This is a lip liner pencil, and look at that.
That is
I guess if you like nudes, but this is going in the dumpster.
Dumpster. Here is a CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus.
I always
eyeliner.
like those.
I always loved these. I thought they were good, and it's got the little smudger on the end.
Yeah, those were always just a good go-to. Like if you don't have a lot of money and you need an eyeliner.
It's a good liner, and it lasts for a drugstore liner.
Here is the Milk Makeup mascara. I know everyone's raving about that Kush mascara right now.
I know.
And I didn't have this very long, and it started drying out like almost like just immediately after opening it. So this one, I wouldn't purchase it. And look at it, it's all smudgy and dirty. But yeah.
Is this your brow pencil?
Let me see it. What brand? Yeah, this is my actual Holy Grail brow pencil. And look at that. And it's the Rimmel. And I've got 3 unopened. I always keep unopened ones in my makeup stash because I'm so scared of running out. Obviously have to put my brow.
They'll discontinue it.
That is my big fear because you know how they discontinue everything, so you gotta buy it up.
Speaking of more liners, this was a Smashbox liner.
I love that liner.
She liked the Smashbox liner. This was from Avon Glimmer Sticks. It's just okay. You'd be better getting CoverGirl liner.
Yes, that is a decent liner, that Avon, but get the CoverGirl.
And this was Flower Bomb by Victor and Ross. Love it. It's super expensive, but I love getting these little samples in my place.
When they have the spray, it's so much better.
Oh yeah, than just the little like vials.
We already talked about that fruit teas. That was one I must have used. So
one was avocado extract. That is coconut extract. So
they were different. Yeah. She got the detail there.
This was Lancome. I didn't really like this. It had honey. It was a face wash. It was sticky. Didn't like it.
I love honey to eat, but I don't like a lot of honey skincare. It's too sticky.
I don't either.
Here's just some random LA Colors lip.
It was alright. It looks like it would be a lot darker, but I've just had it a long time, and it's time to go.
Time to declutter.
So, and this is really affordable, LA Colors. Some of their stuff's hit or miss, but
here's the other avocado. We like that. It was good.
And this was one that you had, that Kores.
I actually really like this. It was the Kores Golden Crocus Ageless Saffron Elixir. That was 100 point perk. It had like a little dropper. I like the way it applied and stuff like that.
That's nice for a sample.
Yeah, that was good. This was 100 point beauty perk at Sephora.
This was Be Fine Food Skin Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. I kind of liked this.
I kind of liked it too. It wasn't my favorite exfoliator.
But it was a decent one. One I think you got Nipsey or Birchbox or something. And last item is this Eva NYC Forget Me Not Dry Conditioner. Oh, we still have one more item I think in there. Yeah. And this was, I really like this dry conditioner. I hadn't really used those a whole lot before I tried this, but I really liked it.
This was just a little foil pack from Sephora, the Age Defy Moisturizer. I put this on before my makeup, just used it once. It was okay. It's not a moisturizer I would run out and repurchase. Yeah, I wouldn't like buy it.
Just so
that was just okay.
That was
it was kind of too thick almost.
Ooh, I don't like when they're too thick.
Right.
So that's everything.
Getting rid of stuff.
Empties.
Yes.
We'll definitely do more. It seems like we do these every month because we accumulate where it's 2 of us, a lot of.
And we have so many boxes we subscribe to, and with free sampling programs. Make sure you look into those. I know she always links them.
Yes. So with that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post the videos, because there will be some giveaways coming up here soon. And leave comments below. Tell us anything. I love to read the comments. And with that, have a fabulous day.
Bye.